Hi, I'm Ravinder, and in this video I'll tell you how Hue smart lamps work, how much power they use, and how they can help you to save energy. Hue lamps use what is called LED technology. That's why a smart lamp uses up to 80% less energy than the old familiar incandescent bulb. Take for example this lamp from the Hue White and Color Ambiance collection. This one is efficient that if it's on 5 hours a day, it only costs you about €4.20 per year. LED lamps also last much longer than traditional lamps. Those give up after about 750 to 2,000 burning hours. But LED lamps last up to 15,000 burning hours. Hue smart lamps are even more efficient than regular LED lamps. That's because they have all kinds of energy-saving features. You can, for example, dim them or use timers and other advanced settings to make them turn on or off automatically. Hue lamps used to have the energy label A+, but since September 1st, 2021, the regulations around energy labels have changed. The label now is based on the maximum consumption with the brightest light and the brightest white color. Therefore, smart lamps are classified to a lower energy label. But in practice, you won't always set your lamps at their brightest, and maybe almost never. Therefore, the power consumption is actually much lower. Besides, some colors use less energy than others. White, for example, uses the most energy and blue the least. By choosing smartly, you can save a lot of energy. Smart lamps have not become less efficient. Only the label has changed. So don't be confused by the new energy label. This is still an efficient option and that's good for your wallet and the environment, so it is green indeed. There are a number of different ways to use smart lighting in order to save energy. To start by dimming your lights. If you dim your lamp to 70% of its maximum brightness, you reduce power consumption by about 49%. Another way to save energy is by choosing certain colors. The scene gallery in the app is full of scenes that not only create ambience but also help to save energy. They are based on dimmed lighting and use the color blue as a base because it is the most economical. The 5 scenes are Tokyo and Motown. You find both in the categories Party, Atmosphere, Milky Way and Blood Moon. Those 2 you find in the category Calm and Beginnings in the category Sunrise. Besides these light scenes, you can also save energy by setting timers. You do that very easily in the Hue app. For example, you can let your lamps dim in the evening and let them turn off automatically at night when you fall asleep. So you never have to think about turning off the light yourself. There are also other advanced settings you can use to automate your lighting and save energy that way. Do you want to know more about that? Then also watch this video. In that video, I explain everything about setting up smart automations. Now you know how to use smart lighting to save energy. Did you find this video interesting? Check out our channel because there you'll find much more. Thanks for watching.